Hi guys, I'm happy to come again. Today we'll be talking about a very important tutorial on how to make money becoming a bet9ja agent without holding a shop. Can you imagine? Is that possible? Today I'm going to be showing you. If you're ready, let's go. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification because we notice people keep watching our channels but people don't subscribe. Please subscribe, turn on the notification, and I'm going to teach you how to become a bet9ja agent without holding the shop. If you're ready, let's go. Welcome back. As I was saying, today I'll be teaching you how to become a bet9ja agent without owning a shop. Like you see a shop right here without owning this, just you and yourself, and I'm going to be teaching you tools to need to start. So let's go on to it. First thing you have to do to become an agent without owning a shop is first you have to know a bet9ja agent. A bet9ja agent, you can just find one in your community or your locality, because everywhere in Nigeria I think there's a betting shop in every state or every local government. So it's just to go on to a particular area and just walk into a bet9ja shop and ask to see the owner. But you have to be careful. There are two things. Managers sometimes might tell you they are the owner, but seriously tell them you really need to see the owner. That there's very important thing you need to discuss with the owner. Make sure it's the owner of the shop, not the manager. Because when you tell the manager your plan, he will tell you he's not interested and goes back to meet the agent and tell the agent he wants to manage the web account. Then at that point you'll be left out and he'll be making the money. So be sure you know that is the owner of the web, the owner of the betting shop, so that you'll be able to do the business with him. Tell him. But the question here is, what Ninja web account actually is just an account being created. Is a second account. So each bet9ja agent has two accounts: a normal account which he uses for his shop, and the second is an account dedicated for customers who don't want to play in the shop. They prefer being in their house and playing. So that account, now you'll be able to create, you as an agent, you should use your web account and create for customers their own betting account, just like normal bet9ja accounts, but all of them will be under you. They'll be under your agent list. Now you'll be able to withdraw for them, you'll be able to deposit for them, and they can withdraw by themselves, they can deposit by themselves. So that was strictly what a web account is. So by you walking into a shop telling them you want to know it, if you tell them one or two things on it, they'll be able to know that you're in the right track, and they'll be able to want to give you the account to manage. So what are the importance of this web account? First, to create account for customers. It's used to create account for betting customers, so that's one of the use. Secondly, like I said before, the account is used for deposit too. And thirdly, to manage customers' accounts. So you'll be able to manage their account. Meanwhile, you'll be able to help them update their accounts, help them deposit, help them withdraw, help them check if their accounts are active or dormant. So these are ways to manage the bet9ja accounts. So the big question here is this: when the agent gives you their web account, I know it's surprising, but the truth is 70% of bet9ja agents do not use their web account. Yeah, you heard me. 70% of bet9ja agents do not use their web account. I guess there are some who don't even know they have web account. So they only go for the main accounts. They don't use it. So basically it's useless. They don't, because they don't know, they don't even have the time or even know how to. So basically it's useless to them. They don't even know. So the answer is 70% will say yes, just to take the account off their head. So far there's something in for them. So far you agreed on sharing the commissions that come on that account on a weekly basis. So if you agree on sharing the commission, then they'll give you the account to manage. They don't have a problem with that. So the second thing you'll be needing is you have to need a laptop or a phone. Now, a laptop or a phone, this laptop will be used for your business because it's very important than a phone. So let's look at the use of this laptop and a phone. So firstly, you'll be using it to open a bet9ja agent account for your customers. So secondly, you'll be using it to deposit for your customers, and thirdly, you'll be using it to withdraw for your customers. So the third thing you'll be needing is a very good internet. For you to run this business, you should be able to subscribe for a data plan for any network. So far the network in your particular area is good, just make sure you subscribe, because you'll be needing internet, because your customers might just call you 1 a.m. to tell you to transfer so amount to deposit the account for them. Then they are going to transfer money to your account, then you deposit for them. So that is very, very important. A good internet. You have to be online 24/7 to study all these things. Fourthly, you will need at least 5,000 naira inside the betting account. Now this 5,000 naira will be used for depositing. Don't get me wrong, you are not using it. So when an agent comes or a customer comes to deposit, he gives you cash or he transfers it to your account, then you, out of your 5,000 naira, then you deposit it in his own account. So you'll be able to deposit it, you'll be able to withdraw. For instance, now if he needs 500 naira and he's close by to your house or wherever you operate from, he can just walk up to you and say, please give me 500 naira and remove it from my account. So that's the advantage of it. So you need at least 5,000 in the account to start operation. Like I said, for deposit. So the fifth thing is you need customers. Now there is no limit to how many customers you can register, to how many accounts you can open. In short, the more you open this account for customers, the more you make more money. So you have to learn to open this account for customers, and you have to learn to open more. 100, 200, just keep opening account for them, and any account you open for them, any game they placed, you have a commission on it. And I will still talk about how to make money still using this account. So here we are, the big question: how do I make money from this account? Okay, so now we'll be looking at first way to make money from the account is by weekly commission. The bet9ja gives you every Tuesday your commission in that account. It doesn't go to his main account, to the agent main account. It comes to the web account. You will see your commission on a weekly basis every Tuesday. The latest is 12. Before 12 they must have updated your commission, so you'll be able to see your commission every Tuesday. So you are making money every week without doing nothing. You are not even playing. Those agents are just in their house playing. The more they play, the more. If they play visual, you make money. If they play sporting bet, you make money. If they play anything on that, you still make money. So far they play. And secondly is you charge customers for deposit and withdraw. For instance, now if they want to deposit 1,000, just charge them the normal charging rate of POS. If they want to deposit 1,000 into their account, you tell them it's 1,100. So if they want to withdraw, you tell them each withdrawal of 5,000 naira is 100 naira. So that's another way of making money. And before I forget, when it comes to commission, if customers loses very well for that month, you get a monthly commission allowance minus your commission. They still give you a monthly of 20% of every lose. So if the lose is much than the win, they give you that commission. So I think that'll be all for these tutorials. Please do subscribe to our channel if you want to learn how to make money from home. Share this video, like this video. Please don't forget to comment. Please, we notice people keep listening to our tutorials and keep listening, but nobody is liking, nobody is subscribing. Please do subscribe to this channel, please, and we'll see you on the next tutorials. Thank you. Don't forget, this is Think Biz Media, all about business. See you on the next video.